अब हम माननीय मंत्री जी से ये निवेदन करेंगे कि आज के इस कार्यक्रम में हमारा मार्गदर्शन करते हुए हमें संबोधित करें।
देवियों और सज्जनों, आज इस कार्यक्रम का मुख्य अतिथि केंद्र सरकार में मेरे साथी श्रीमती मेनका गांधी जी। मैंने मेनका जी को कहा आज आप मुख्य अतिथि है, आप ही बोलिए, हम सुनेंगे, मगर वो मेरा आदेश को पालन नहीं किया उन्होंने। हमेशा करते हैं पार्लियामेंट में, मेरे और देखते हैं जब मैं कुछ कहता हूँ तो हमेशा ऐसे ही करते हैं। All the other dignitaries, the awardees and felicitators, the Tejaswinis, and the Prasara Bharati chairman, CEO, DG Doordarshan News, DG Doordarshan, then the All India Radio. By chance, both DG Doordarshan News as well as Doordarshan, both are women. I hope All India Radio also. Not to change you, but Shahriyar is looking at me. That would have been a very good combination. Radio, audio, video, all together. Friends, from the days immemorial, from the Vedic period, this society, this civilization, this culture always used to respect women. We have the great Sanskrit sloka also, Yatra Naryastu. So the divines are extremely happy when women are respected where they are not. All actions are fruitless. This is the saying. I would like to also quote Swami Vivekananda, who once said, "The best thermometer to the progress of a nation is its treatment to its woman." Well said, Swamiji at that time. These two statements hold as much weight in the present day context as they held in bygone era. They drive the point that be at the level of family, society or nation, the three E's of woman: empowerment, emancipation and equality are the three key E's for the progress. Women folk make up nearly half the population, but by not offering them equal rights, the opportunities, we are really practically short-selling the advancement of the nation's economy by 50%. You give an opportunity, they prove second to none. You have seen the capacities that are exhibited before us. Our nation has come a long way in bringing up social pedestal on which women stand, while we have emerged from regressive attitudes and practice of the fast gender equality and sensitization. Still remains a task to be fulfilled. That's why the Prime Minister has also given the call for Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, or Beti Badhao. That also added. And then Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, lot of many schemes are there. And then under the stewardship of Srimati Menaka ji, lot of welfare and development activities are being taken up for women. But at the same time, the society, the country as such, we must respect women. We must give them the needed recognition and also confidence and make them as equal partners. I am sure under the present leadership, the day is not far off where women also will get their due in every this thing. And they have proved also their mettle in Panchayat Raj institutions where we started with 33%. Some states have 50% of the reservation. And they are doing wonderful work. So I don't think there is any reason to hesitate in giving them the needed representation in legislature, be it assembly or parliament. Someone asked me, Mr. Naidu, what will happen? I said, sir, people on the dais will go to among audience and they will come to the dais. इतना ही फर्क होने वाला है और कुछ ज़्यादा होने वाला नहीं है. Be it Gargi, the Vedic prophetess, Rani Lakshmibai, the fierce and fearless warrior, or our entire battalion of lady bankers, space scientists, lady bankers, now the chief bank, State Bank of India, is is now presided over by Arundhati Bhattacharya. Also, the scientists, just now you heard about the ISRO's latest launching where 6 women scientists have proved their mettle. 4 is women. We just now, Archana Ramasundaram was there, and we have our former Lieutenant Governor of the Police Commissioner of Delhi, who is now Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry, Kiran Bediji. So every one of them, whoever, even the corporate professionals also, the list is endless. They have personified the qualities of being indefatigable, courageous, strong, and with an integrity, and with that redefined the world they inhabited. In the software industry also, 30% of the workforce is female. And they are in the IT. They are showing they are doing their duty and then adding to the beauty and making the country mighty. Even in the IT also, the women, they really contribute. In the IT sector, mostly women are being encouraged and also they are being required. Indian women are going places in the field of sports also, be it PV Sindhu in badminton or Sakshi Malik in wrestling or Mary Kom in boxing. We have just now honored Karnam Madheswari. Even in our mythological landscape, some people are saying, no, sir, this is our Shastras and our Puranas, they don't accept this equality for women. It's wrong. If you go to the Puranas and Itihas and then observe, we just see now Lord Saraswati Devi, the goddess of education. That means education minister at that time. Then you see Durga Devi, the defense minister. Defense portfolio is given to Durga Devi. And the most key important portfolio, finance, was given to Lakshmi Devi. Finance portfolio, defense portfolio, education portfolio were all given by our gods and goddesses. They were equal this thing. And even in our country also, we call our country as Bharata Mata. Nobody says Bharata Pita. And because we always rest woman, man is there in woman. Man is there in woman. But there is no woman in men. Man can make anything, but he cannot produce children by himself. Because the nature and the creation has given its own important role to the woman. So friends, the rivers across the country also, I go around the country, I travel, every day I travel. Today also morning I came, tomorrow morning I am going to Telangana again, yesterday I was in Andhra Pradesh. But wherever I go, the beautiful rivers names, Ganga, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapati, Mahendra Tanaya, beautiful name, Mahendra Tanaya, names, Saraswati, all these rivers, Sarayu, Suvarna Rekha, Kaveri, Godavari, Yamuna, all these rivers are also named after women only. That speaks of the importance which our mythological or even historical people have given to us. Even in our government also see Menakaji, what she is doing, Sushmaji heads external affairs, Smriti heads textiles, Uma Bharati presides over the flow of rivers, Nirmadaji oversees trade, Menakaji looks after women and children, Harsimat Kaur takes care of food processing in our government. And all of them, and I will be observing them in the cabinet. I am a keen observer in politics and I always try to encourage women and also youth in my political career. I worked as a party president also. The talent is very much available. What is required is recognition and then it is encouragement. So प्रोत्साहन देना है. प्रोत्साहन दिया तो दिखाएंगे. तो worry some men are worried if प्रोत्साहन ज़्यादा दिए तो इनका क्या होगा ऐसा. There are great opportunities in the country and then people are willing to accept anybody if there is some talent and some merit. So इसके बारे में कोई किसी का कोई मन में कोई संकोच होने का जरूरत नहीं है. The recent success at ISRO launching 104 satellites created headlines across the world. The women scientists at ISRO had a critical role to play for the success of the program. Woman, girl, child have all proven with the right amenities and facilities they can outshine men, boys in all fields. Results of top exams across the country when analyzed show the fact that the toppers in almost all the exams are women and the girl child. I say with pride that my both DGs of Doordarshan, because we are here in the function of Doordarshan, they are doing an excellent job. Now, you have just now saw Sonali Mansingh ji. and also Pandita Anuradha Paul today. We have seen their talent also. They create history. They are there in front of us now. And the amazing talents are very much available. So far as I mentioned those names who have become famous, but I must also appreciate, celebrate women who have the ability and willingness to be selfless, caring, innovative, and perhaps daring to be different. Women who experienced hardship, accepted a challenge, and fought for something bigger. For me, the most extraordinary thing about these women is their ordinariness. Most often, women go unnoticed. They never claim publicity. They don't want to name and fame. They want their husband or their children to get the name. I see how my wife also is functioning at my house. If I have somebody try to praise, I say, no, it's all Naidu Garu, he has done like that. That's like a mother takes care of children. Woman has a special role in shaping our society and also in developing our culture and heritage. जो आदिकाल से, वेद काल से, पुण्य काल से, पुराण काल से जो पूर्वजों ने जिया और दिया, विरासत में हमको मिला, भारतीय संस्कृति परंपरा, उसको हमेशा कायम रखना चाहिए, आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. इस बीच में जो बाहर से लोग आके हम लोगों को ऐसा, हमारे देश को वो लोगों ने फिर एक स्लेवरी टाइप बनाया, फिर हमारा माइंड भी डिस्टर्ब किया और पोल्यूट भी किया. हम लोग दोबारा वापस जाना चाहिए. वी शुड गो बैक टू आवर रूट्स, and whatever the evil things that have come in between, that has to be removed. And even the great reformers also, Raja Ram Mohan Rai or these Kandukuri Veerasilingam and other great reformers, Swami Basaveswara, all these people also are born in this country only. It is not that somebody from outside came and tried to reform us. We had reformists also among ourselves. So friends, I would like to share with you the story of a spirited 105-year-old Kunwar Bai from Chhattisgarh. She is an inspiration for all of us to emulate. Her zeal and actions for a better life made her sell off all her goats to build toilets in the house. She sold away all the goats and built toilets. The Prime Minister was so impressed and he called her and then he touched her feet, the Prime Minister of India, because she has shown to be a role model. And then, of course, they gifted some goats. She never expected that the Prime Minister will be calling her and then felicitating her. She has not done it for felicitation. She thought that the message has to go to the people. Friends, this year Padma Awards also are a celebration of these unsung heroes who have made exemplary contribution to the society and the country. You have seen Kariyar Pattu, that Kerala lady. So these great examples, but unfortunately society has not recognized them. If you look at the Padma Award list, you don't find big names or the Delhi routine zone normally. Most of us also live in a routine zone, including myself. And we are living in a different society. But this time, the Padma Awards are given to people who are unsung heroes or heroines, who have been doing a human service and great service. They have been recognized and they have been respected. And it's a recognition given to their work. And then you felicitate them. Felicitation is to give inspiration to the others. That is the idea of felicitating these people also, to showcase them before the nation and give inspiration to others. That's the purpose of this. Friends, the Doordarshan has really taken up a very good program to showcase the Nari Shakti and the Tejaswinis. Mother India, released in 1957, brought the mother to the center stage of cinema. I am now INB minister. But how are women presented in our films now? The stereotypical portrayal of women on screen is partly responsible for the objectification of women today. There has to be, everybody has to ponder about this also. One has to think about it. So friends, some of the issues are being raised by the cinema. They need to be discussed. And all these social evils of discrimination against the woman, they must be brought to an end. With the strength and vitality the Indian woman comes to the fore, rightfully deserve equality, neither less nor more. What they want is their due. They are not asking for more. International Women's Day is celebrated on the 8th of March, but celebrating women, celebrating girl child should be everyday ritual. Sometimes I wonder, what is this day business? Day, one day, every day, because there cannot be universe, there cannot be creation without woman. It has to be 24/7, it has to be 365. But somehow we are following that practice and all. So I asked someone, why this is happening? They said, sir, at least one day. I said, why at least one day? At least one day. All these things were part of our culture earlier. In between, we have forgotten. So we have to really think about mother, sister, daughter, wife, children, women. They are part of our society. That is the strength of Indian family system. Friends, I am very happy and I would like to compliment Doordarshan for this 100 episode old Tejaswini program while carrying the inspirational stories of the famous woman. It also carries the interviews of achievers among these unnoticed women. So my special compliments to this program. I hope such programs will be broadcast by Doordarshan and also broadcast by All India Radio and also Doordarshan even in future also, because we are now carrying on this Swachhata Yajna, Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat also is a movement for cleanliness across the country. The Prime Minister wanted the Swachh Bharat to be a people's movement. Rather than उसको प्रधानमंत्री ने मुझे पहले दिन बताया, वेंकैया जी इसको जन आंदोलन बनाइए. जन आंदोलन तभी होगा जब आप सबको इसमें इन्वॉल्व करें. And the women are really the great examples of Swachhata and cleanliness. Tomorrow I am attending a program in Telangana organized by government, the Swachhata Nari Shakti, that's a program. Such programs should be encouraged and they should be given. From saving the unborn girl in the womb to facilitating her growth and success, Prasara Bharati can play the most of the vital roles of informing women of their rights and wherever they can ensure them and fight for them, or spreading the message of numerous schemes of our government runs for the girl child, for the adolescent girl and also for older woman. By creating and developing programs which carry the message, preferably a subtle manner of the talent and strength of woman possesses, which woman possesses, and how the government is leaving no stone unturned in helping them find themselves and unleash their capacities. Friends, the Prime Minister has given all of us a mantra of development. He said 3 lines. He said reform, perform and transform. As an INB minister, I told him, sir, reform, perform, transform, then we will inform. Because we are information broadcasting ministry. Because the communication with the people, the involvement with the people in any government program is very much necessary. So we have to involve the society. This program, Tejaswini, telecast by Doordarshan, it will definitely go a long way in educating the people, in inspiring the people who are working in various fields. I would like to once again compliment them. And I am very happy to be part of this program. My compliments, मैं सबको अभिनंदन देना चाहता हूँ और धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद.